In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide pages in Canva. This is a quick fix that makes a big difference when you're exporting, presenting, or simply organizing a multi-page design. Hidden pages don't show up in your downloads or presentations, so if something seems to be missing, this is likely the reason. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is open, look toward the bottom of the editor where the page thumbnails appear. These are the small previews of each page in your document, arranged in a row like a film strip. If a page is hidden, you'll notice an eye icon with a slash over it on that page's thumbnail. That icon is Canva's way of telling you the page is currently excluded from previews, exports, and presentations. To bring a page back, move your mouse over the hidden page's thumbnail and right-click. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that page. Choose Unhide Page. The moment you select it, the slashed eye icon will disappear from the thumbnail, and the page is now active again. From here on, it will be included in your downloads, your presentations, and any previews you share. If you have more than one hidden page, simply repeat the same action on each hidden thumbnail. Right-click, then select Unhide Page. It's the fastest way to make sure everything you created is visible and ready to export. A few quick tips to keep you moving smoothly. If you don't immediately see your page thumbnails, try scrolling down in the editor or reducing your zoom level so the thumbnail strip is visible. Sometimes the thumbnails are collapsed or out of view when you're zoomed in closely on a design. Also, if you're collaborating with others, a page may have been hidden by a teammate to clean up a presentation or draft. Unhiding it locally will restore it for everyone who views the project. When you're done, it's a good idea to run a quick check. Click through your thumbnails to confirm no pages still show the slashed eye icon. Then use the preview or presentation mode to make sure the restored pages appear in the correct order. Finally, export your design as usual. The previously hidden pages will now be included in your PDF, image set, or presentation. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, find the hidden page with the slashed eye icon, right-click, and choose Unhide Page. Simple, fast, and your full design is back where it belongs.